Hey everyone, in this video we're just going to walk through a question where we convert entire radical to a mixed radical. Now, the question is going to look like this, right? There's square root of 720 as a mixed radical. Now notice this is an entire radical because everything is underneath the root here. Now, what I want to do, there's a couple ways I could do this. Kind of the most kind of formulaic way that's very repeatable is I'm going to break down 720 into a prime factor tree. Now 720, I know it's going to be 10 times 72, and 10 is 2 times 5, which are both prime factors. 72 is 8 times 9, and 9 is 3 times 3. Those are both prime. 8 is 2 times 4, and 4 is another 2 2's. So what this tells me then is that 720 is the same as, so I had 4 of the 2, so 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 2 3's, and a 5. That's 720. So the really kind of deliberate way to do a question like this is I'm gonna use that, so I can rewrite the square root of 720 as the square root of this kind of string of product of factors. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Now, a square root, what this means, what a square root tells us, the index kind of tells us how many inside are worth 1 on the outside. So because it's a square root, it's a 2, this tells me that every pair of repeated factors on the inside is worth 1 on the outside. So these 2 out here are going to become a single 2 on the outside. These 2 are going to become another 2 on the outside. These 2 3's are going to become a 3 on the outside. Now this 5, notice he has no one to pair up with, so it's just going to stay underneath the root. And then finally I can do 2 times 2 times 3, that's 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times the square root of 5 is the square root of 720 written as a mixed radical. And you can use your calculator to check that. All right, thanks for watching.